I knew him as a 7-year-old. I knew him because I was reading books to him in his home in Yerushalayim because his grandfather was my best friend. I didn't know that his last name was Haman. I only knew him as Yuval. And as a 7-year-old, he was learning to read, and I was coaching him in the summers that I was in Yerushalayim. He grew up. He was a very strong athlete. He was a runner. He used to run with his father. I used to run with his father. His father was a quicker runner than me. But I understand that Yuval was even better than his father. But Yuval lost his life when he entered Gaza along with 4 other combatants, not soldiers, and tried to defend Israel. And he was the last one to go. He took the last bullet. So, for me, I didn't know when we started the project, by the way, that Yuval was among the fallen. I didn't know it. I only found out this past summer when I was in Yerushalayim and I was meeting his grandfather for a cup of coffee in the Mosheva. And the first thing, Professor Yossi Tovi is his grandfather, the first thing he said to me was, Nafali Bechet. I lost a grandson. I called up his mother, who I know very well, and we met in Jerusalem, in Yerushalayim, and I told her about the Mezuzah Shalom project that we did, and that for sure we had his picture up. She was quite touched that a school in Montreal would remember her son. What we're doing creates real memories among the families of the fallen, because they now know that when you enter these classrooms, you're remembering their sons. Thank you.
So together, בבקשה, ברוך אתה אלוהינו מלך העולם, אשר קידשנו במצוותיו וציוונו לקבוע מזוזה.